happy crowd, we're going to have to leave. It was great meeting you, and I think we'll see you again. Right then, Charles, all the bus.
Hello guys,
And let's go.
I'm taking you to heaven.
Let's go.
Heaven! I'm so tired. I'm gonna be playing knife capsules. Bad. Run. As fast as the legs can. Oh no, another thing. What? Ah! Okay. Anything new? So guys, we have good holidays when it starts, and I'm only going tomorrow with my best friend. I'm gonna do this one. That's swearing. Come on, Luke. Avengers music. Basically.
Kidnapped by some Afghan guy who maybe built a missile before I would die. I got a magnet in my chest.
Yes. It's raining. Yes, I kind of like this. Strawberry cake. Strawberry cake. More cola. Angry. Hey, Lou. My dead body.
The Stargate goes back, and now that everyone knows that I'm a superhero and have a tech loads, my life is great, nothing can go wrong. Oh, wait, some Russian guy
Thank you, bye. Okay, I lied. Human pine gold. Land of Asgard, I'm gonna be king.